Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gangstar Vegas with friends. While the game doesn't feature direct cooperative or competitive multiplayer, where you explore the city together, you can still team up. The primary way to engage with friends is through the game's gang system. By joining or creating a gang, you and your friends can participate in various activities that contribute to a shared goal, enhancing your overall gaming experience. To get started, first ensure your Facebook account is linked to Gangstar Vegas. This makes adding friends much simpler. Once connected, navigate to your in-game profile and select the Gangs option. Here, you can either create a brand new gang or search for an existing one to join. If you create a gang, you'll receive a unique code or an invite link to share with your friends, allowing them to easily become members. Once you and your friends are part of the same gang, you can engage in various gang-related activities. These often include participating in gang wars or completing specific tasks designed for your crew. While you'll typically complete these challenges individually, your personal scores and efforts directly contribute to your gang's overall progress and ranking. This teamwork allows your entire gang to earn impressive collective rewards. It's important to remember that Gangstar Vegas does not support direct co-op missions or free roaming with friends in the same instance. Your interactions are primarily through shared gang objectives and leaderboards. To maximize your fun, use the in-game chat or external communication apps to plan your strategies and share tips. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.